Today's video. I am Sami Abasad, Director of Education at T3 Live. Hope you are doing well. Welcome to the Strategic Swing Trader weekly broadcast. We're going to be talking about the market. I'm going to give you my game plan for this week. We'll also be talking about some swing ideas that I put together. Before we start, as always, a standard required disclaimer to let you know that trading is risky and that whatever we discuss in this video is for educational purposes only. If you're new to our channel, please be sure to download my free ebook. Link for that is in the description. And if you find benefit in today's video, be sure to hit the like button and let us know if you have any questions by emailing customer service info@t3live.com. info@t3live.com. All right, here we go. So the market rolled over. As you can see, it was a very, very bearish week last week. Let me open up the daily chart of the Qs. If we look at let's just start with the SPY. I mean, the SPY closed below that prior pivot, which I said last week in last week's video that we need to stay above if we're going to be bullish. But clearly the market closed below it. So now the next support area that we're looking at would be around 420. Okay, so the top of the base, resistance broken through to the upside in an uptrend becomes support on a pullback. So that's, we're looking at 420. The Qs has a lot more room to go than the SPY. The Qs actually doesn't have any support all the way down to 320, between 330 to 320. So it's got a lot more room to go. It is stronger than the SPY and has not closed yet below that pivot at 354.70, but it's getting there. It's almost there. IWM never got off the lows almost. If you look at the weekly chart, you know, never bounced much. It just bounced a little bit, did a buy setup, came back in. And we're looking at, I mean, the next support area is this year's low at like 170. So we're headed down there. So the bias now for me has shifted, has changed from bullish to bearish. I would like to see the Qs break the pivot and close below it, which is 354.70 on the weekly chart, before I'm all out bearish. But the truth of the matter, there was nothing that was bullish about last week, and now for me I am gonna be bearish. Okay, so it'll be time to be cautious with the longs, especially the longs. The shorts, you should already have a bunch on board if you play both sides, but yeah, because a lot of them are already gone. I'm, for example, short target. Just look at the drop. It's already too late. You see what I mean? So a lot of the shorts are gone, but I do have a few that I like for tomorrow. But let's start with the bullish ideas first. So I got CSCO as a long over the base right here. Okay, it's over $1.55, stop under $1.37, and target about 180, 185 on the CSCO. Okay, it's not my favorite. This might be my favorite. Furu is a Chinese company. I like it a lot if it can break 60.50. If it breaks 60.50, it's a long-term play. Stop under the pivot, which is $56, $56.10. And if you look at the monthly chart, I mean, that's a nice monthly transition A. Okay, so it would be a longer-term play on the Furu. The MSOS is cannabis. Talked about it this week, and I said it's higher to maybe 14 or so on the MSOS. Well, it didn't get to 14. It got to 10, but that was a nice rally. And now we have a pullback. The pullback isn't very good because it's very deep and came from a wide range red bar, but we also have a buy setup. So over 812 long, stop under 760. So not too bad. I am not ready to play it tomorrow. I'm gonna wait for a secondary sign of strength, but it's one of the watches. And then TVTX, it was a mega gap down and is looking higher. It needs to take out Friday's high, which is $8. Let's say over $8 by $7, and target is about $12 maybe. It reminds me a little bit of the spray, SBRY. It actually, I mean, it looks exactly almost the same. So it had a big mega gap down, got bought, and is headed back up. In fact, it looks okay over 401, stop under 347. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. Yeah, the hourly looks good too. So this could be also a swing play, but I don't usually like to play things after they've already moved a lot. So that's the issue with the spray. In terms of the shorts, I got Instacart, went IPO just 4 days ago. and now has a base breakdown setting up. So I like it a lot. Under 29.90, stop, I would say just over 32. So under so it's almost under $30 by 32. So it's a $2.10 stop. So 210, okay? Short. Target on it is the next support area, which is there's no support. So there's no way to know what the target is gonna be. It's a brand new stock. So it just have to be managed. The IMGN rolled over and has a little bit of a base here. It's like a 1, 2, 3, 4 play. I like it short under 1440, stop over 1510, and target maybe the 200 MA on the IMGN. The PLD, similar to 1, 2, 3. So short under 113.50 and stop over 116. Okay, that's 115.97, 116. It's a 1, 2, 3. Now next support area is going to be $100. Has room to $100 basically. XP is similar, but not as good, I think, because it has support. So would be short under 23.30, stop over 24.10. I have posted a much longer list in the description of the video. If you want to take a look at it, again, this is the complete watch list posted in the description, but I picked the ones that I thought were the most ready. And here's the complete bullish list for tomorrow, which is also in the description of the video. All right, so that will do it for this week. It's a short video, and I'm doing the video late here in the evening, but hopefully you found benefit in it, and if you did, please be sure to hit the like button. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care, everybody. Ciao.